All right, so it's Monday. We are starting a new week. I hope you guys have been able to keep up with your assignments. If you're having any trouble with anything, please let your parents know so that you guys can call me. We can set up a FaceTime chat and I can help walk you through everything, or we can do a Zoom session. We can do whatever it takes to help you guys get your assignments completed. I'll be following up with people throughout the week on any other assignments. So let me know. All right, so as far as today goes, we're going to be in language arts or reading and writing. And our assignments today, you're going to be looking at understanding the character, setting, and plot using the text and the illustration. So pretty much you're going to be looking at the text, you're going to look at the story and the words, and you're going to answer questions on that. And then you're going to look at the picture and be able to answer questions about that. So you're going to find that when you get a story and you have pictures that goes with it, that they can both give you some of the same information, but sometimes one gives you information that the other doesn't. And so you want to make sure you can understand those characters, the setting, and the plot using either one or both of those things. Don't forget that the plot, remember PLOT, plot, that's just the details of the story. So you're looking at the characters, the settings, and the plot, which is like the details of the story or the big events in the story. All right, and you're going to be using that. You have a video to watch that breaks that down, and it gives you a little bit of practice using the story Peter Rabbit, and then after that you'll be able to work on your assignment. We're also going to be looking at some poetry today. We're going to look at something called a couplet poem. A couplet poem, you're going to be watching another video for that, and it is going to have a couplet poem is pretty much where it's like 2 lines and it's broken up to every 2 lines, like the last letters of the word or the last words of each line, they rhyme. So you're going to see that in another video that I posted for that as well. And then just for extra, I gave you guys a link on complete sentences because you're going to actually create your own couplet poem. So we want to keep working on those complete sentences. If you need to write it out before you type it into your assignment that I have for you guys today, then do that. If you want to get any feedback before you turn it in on how you're doing, or if you have any questions, have your parents call me, okay? Other than that, that's it. And you guys have a marvelous Monday, and hopefully we'll be scheduling a Zoom meeting soon so we can all say hi again face to face, catch up, and then maybe we'll be able to do a little bit of review. All right, bye.